And every single one of them tells me exactly what you just said, which is we have to envision ourselves in the position where we're going to end up as if it was real, as if we were feeling it now. And then we bring all the forces within ourselves and outside of ourselves to bear without even really knowing it in terms of helping us along that journey. Is that the truth?
1000%. And one of the things that I tell people, especially kids, when I go speak to them, and kids from the rural areas and kids from the hood that may come from places where they don't have a lot of things or a lot of opportunity, I let them know that you're a bank. You're a bank right now,
Right.
with unlimited resources. And as soon as you start investing into yourself,
Right.
your investment earns interest.
Awesome.
And that interest comes in the form of other people, right?
Right.
So Donnie Ogle saw me needing an opportunity. He saw me being transparent, humbling myself to get this job. And then he saw me coming every day early. He saw me putting my best foot forward.
Right.
He saw me doing these things. So he said, here's another resource. We're going to send you to school so you can learn programming if you'd like to. We're going to take you from beyond where you are and help you get to that vision of yourself.